In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a thin rectangle or draw a box in Canva. Start by opening your design in Canva. This can be an existing project or a fresh document, the process is identical either way. Once your canvas is open, look to the left-hand side and click on the Elements tab. In the Shapes section, choose either a rectangle or a square. It will drop onto your canvas with a solid fill by default. With the shape selected, head to the top toolbar and click the color icon. We're going to make this a hollow shape, so set the fill to transparent. You'll know it's correct when the center of the shape shows your background instead of a color. Next, we'll add and adjust the border. Right next to the color controls, click the border style icon. This is where you can turn on the outline and control how it looks. If the border color isn't what you want, you can choose a new one here so your box stands out against your design. Now set the thickness. Look for the border weight slider and move it to a low value somewhere between 1 and 5. Works well for a thin outline. A weight of 1 or 2 gives a very fine hairline effect, while 3 to 5 is slightly bolder and easier to see on busy backgrounds. Keep in mind that border weight is measured in pixels, so it stays consistent even if you scale the shape up or down. To size your box, use the corner handles to resize while keeping the overall proportions. This is great for drawing a neat, thin box around text or an image. If you want to create a thin line instead, drag one of the side handles inward to compress the shape. Pull it in until it becomes a slender horizontal or vertical bar, depending on which side you are adjusting. Zooming in briefly can make these fine adjustments easier and more precise. If you are aligning the box around content, move it slowly to snap to Canva's smart guides. This helps center it or line it up with margins cleanly. If the border looks too light once it's in place, simply revisit the border style controls and nudge the weight up 1 or 2 points until it's clearly visible without overpowering your design. That's it. Thanks for watching.